All right, guys, welcome back. Today, you're probably wondering what the heck is going on with all these bottles. Well, these are all of my pre-made either detail sprays, waterless washes, pre-sprays. We got some wash and waxes. We got all kinds of stuff in here, but they're mainly like a waterless wash or detail spray. So I want to clear these bottles out. My car is dusty. It's not real filthy, but it's got a big layer of dust on it. And I'm gonna make a Franken wash. So I'm gonna pour all of these bottles into the big sprayer there, and we're gonna do a waterless wash. It's been about 4 days since I washed my car, and it's perfect time for that. So let's get going. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my mix made. I've got a bunch of towels for waterless washing. Now there's all kinds of stuff. I mean, you got Pro Products, Duraglass, Sonex, BSD, Gloss Shop, Sublime, McKee's, N914 Wash and Wax. So much stuff. The only things that I didn't put was some glass cleaners that I had mixed up inside some different bottles, so I separated those. But this just has everything. Even Car Pro Reload, it's got everything. The whole book is being thrown at it. So let's get going with this waterless wash. What do you guys think is going to happen? It's going to work pretty good. I think waterless washes and rinseless washes just have all kinds of chemicals mixed up together with them anyway. So this is everything that everyone uses all mixed into one. Okay, I've got my bottle. It's full. And let's start with the top here. Now, normally I would use some small towels to dry my areas, but I've got this big Griot's PPF-M towel. It's their twisted loop, and I want to dry it with that because these fibers get all the residue left over, because that has wax and Sonex, BSD, and it's got Car Pro Reload. So I need these windows to be real clean. Alright guys, so while I was moving around the car, I kicked this, it fell over, and it fell right on this tip, and it broke this piece here. Unbelievable. Luckily, I have a whole nother bottle inside that I can use, so I'll have to switch it out with this one. All right, we're back in business. Thank God I buy twos of a lot of stuff there. And let's get going. An easy switch. Now for those of you guys that think it's not dirty, it's very dirty. A lot of dust on there. All right, well, the car's done. It's that fast. It really took me about 10-15 minutes messing with dumping the bottles and messing with the broken bottle and switching it over. But I tell you what, the paint, it feels slick. You know, it's got all them extra additives, the Sonex BSDs, the CarPro reloads, the wash and wax, McKee's 914. Woo! This baby feels good. The shine is fantastic. Let me talk a little bit about it and then I'll give you a look. So guys, what we did was, I have a lot of bottles with different products in there. I try and test and play with a lot of different products, and sometimes I don't use them all up. So I gotta get rid of it somehow. So we dump them all into here. These are all waterless washes, detail sprays, spray waxes, etc. And some have some sealants inside them. Dump them in there and just do a fabulous waterless wash. This is a Chapman pump sprayer, and they're fantastic. They work really well. The tubes work good. Everything worked good until today when I dropped it on the nose of this, on the little spigot, and it broke it from the neck. So thankfully I had 2 of them because I get them at an auction over here for pretty cheap. And these things flood the panels, they knock the dirt down, and then you just come back and do your waterless wash. It's real fast. The results are fantastic. I've been playing with mixing up different products, and it just comes out fantastic. The slickness, the cleanliness, the cleaning ability, the gloss is great right now, and it's just so fast. After this video, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the wheels and then just to give them a quick wipe, like a waterless wash, and I'm done. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you have a bunch of different products laying around, go ahead and mix them up. Spray them onto the car. As long as they're waterless, rinseless, along that line, detail sprays, you can mix them right up, throw them in there, and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.